Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to combine more than one cell in Excel. Why would you want to know how to combine them? Maybe you are new to Excel. So today I am going to show you how to combine them. Check the very description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Now, there are the cells we want to combine. Here, let's press on equal, then press on the first cell. Now plus on the keyboard, then the second cell. Now on the keyboard we press enter. Now we combine them. We will do to all the cells the same by clicking here, double click and left mouse. That's easy. There you go. If you want to know how to combine more than one cell in Excel, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to do it, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.